Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Allison Gardell. I will be your instructor for this course, Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. Thank you for enrolling in the class. I'm happy to have you as a student. So this is an online class, meaning that most of our interactions are going to be more virtual in nature. In order to kick off the semester right, I thought I would add a personal touch. So I took this recording outside. As you can see, we are in the forest. This is actually just outside Kenai Peninsula College, which is where I work. And you can see the Kenai River. We're just sitting over the banks of the Kenai River here. So beautiful landscape. So, as your instructor in the course, I wanted to offer a warm introduction. Again, I look forward to our journey as we study human anatomy and physiology together. This is a content-heavy course, but the material is very interesting, and I hope that it sparks your interest and gives you motivation um, on your specific career path. So for me, as a scientist, my career path was uh, interesting. I want to just share with you quickly a little bit about my background. So I grew up in upstate New York, around the Albany area. As a kid, I developed an interest in marine biology and decided to study in Miami, Florida, marine science and biology. As an undergrad, I did a lot of research, which motivated me to go to graduate school. So at that point, I moved to California. I went to UC Davis for grad school, studied fish physiology, exposed fish to different salt environments, and looked at their genetic and physiological responses to the different saline waters. So that was the basis of my PhD. When I finished my PhD, moved up to Alaska. That was about 6 years ago. So I started working at UAA in Anchorage as a researcher, doing contaminants research on stickleback, which is a small fish that you can find in many lakes throughout Alaska. So they live in freshwater systems as well as marine environments and brackish systems as well. So studied the effects of different pollutants on stickleback, how that affects their, again, genetics, their physiology, their health status. So a few very, very interesting projects. Research is very meaningful to me, and if it's something that you're curious about, I'd love to chat with you at some point in the future. So that's a little bit about my background in research. After about 3 years of stickleback contaminants research, I transitioned to teaching at UAA in Anchorage, where I taught for both biology and chemistry departments. And then most recently moved over to Kenai Peninsula College, where I teach for the biology department, and started here about a year ago, and I'm really enjoying it. It's a lot of fun, and again, it's a beautiful environment. Still relatively new to the area, exploring everything the Central Peninsula has to offer. So the basis of this message was just to welcome you to the class and uh, just let you know I'm very happy to have you enrolled and give you a little bit of information about me beyond just being your instructor. So hope you know a little bit more about me as a person now, and I hope that you would be willing to share a little bit about yourself as well so that we can create a fun learning community for the AMP1 course. Okay, well, thank you for your time, and I look forward to having you in class and interacting with you throughout the entire semester. Thank you.